Hey PUBG Mobile fans, the V3.9 update just dropped with Transformers, a Cyberpunk zone, and epic new modes. Ready to roll out with Optimus Prime? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this explosive update. PUBG Mobile's V3.9 update brings a Transformers crossover, a neon outpost cyberpunk area, and new weapons. Summon Optimus Prime or Megatron and battle in a futuristic world. Wanna know what's new? Keep watching! The headline feature is a Transformers theme mode. Use Cybertron beacons to summon Optimus Prime or Megatron, who can switch between vehicle and Autobot or Decepticon mode with unique abilities. Collect Energon for ultimate attacks, and when these titans clash, they trigger a special duel arena. Win or lose, Transformers drop exclusive rewards, with more vehicles coming July 18th. Explore the Neon Outpost, a cyberpunk-themed area on Erangel, Livik, and Sandhoek, featuring a boxing ring, black market, and a burger joint. Metro Royale gets tweaks, a classic mode adds new weapons, and World of Wonder introduces a paint gun and ice dragon boss. Plus, a ranked arena event runs from July 24th to September 2nd with 28 skill tiers and exclusive rewards. This V3.9 update takes PUBG Mobile to new heights, blending Transformers' epic battles with a gritty cyberpunk vibe. With fresh modes, weapons, and competitive events, it keeps the Battle Royale action intense. Is this PUBG's wildest update yet? Get ready to drop in and find out. PUBG Mobile V3.9 is live now, so grab those Cybertron beacons and explore Neon Outpost. More Transformers goodies drop July 18th. What's your favorite new feature? Drop it below. That's the scoop on PUBG Mobile's V3.9 update. Are you hyped for Optimus Prime's battles or the Cyberpunk Neon Outpost? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news and want more PUBG scoops, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.